Hello everyone, I'm Vasvi and I'm from TrueWeight. So today we have Mr. Ravi Kiran with us to talk about his TrueWeight journey. Hello Mr. Ravi Kiran, how are you?
I'm fine, Vasavi. How about you?
I'm doing great, Mr. Ravi. So please, can you just intro yourself for our viewers? They want to know
Yeah,
about.
absolutely. Actually, please. And I'm Ravi Kiran, and I stay at Hyderabad. And I came to know about TrueWhite through YouTube. Actually, I work for a private company.
Okay.
Being a busy schedule man, I did not had a focus on my weight and also my health.
Yes.
But really, I'm very thankful to TrueWeight that it had some shown some way out of it and able to give me a new look. Because see, as per me, TrueWeight is the best concept where you can try and also adopt it with your heart because it gives a best result. And the practices which they suggest, the coach, the assigned coach, and also the mentors who are there on the top, they're very good. And there is a direct connect to the client from the CEO level is a good part. Apart from our diet, we get so many things in this to learn. Like we will be connected each other
Yes.
and weight loss. That's a main thing where TrueWeight has got the special interaction and also the connect with the client actually. But that's what I.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ravi Kiran. So I'm really happy to hear that you had a great journey. I think you're still following with us. So can you
Yeah,
just
yeah,
tell what are the learnings you have taken from us? You joined True Weight for a purpose. So how much weight loss and what were your learning with us? What did you learn
yeah,
for your lifestyle,
yeah.
like a kind of a lifestyle modification? So
Okay, okay. Actually, see, earlier my lifestyle was very hectic in the morning to evening, and then in the night I used to follow lot of I mean, lot of disturbances in between having food on time and having a healthy food. And I never thought that having a healthy food will definitely decrease my weight. I'm a
yes,
sportsman actually.
wow,
I'm a sportsman. I played for national level cricket and all, but suddenly, due to my job profile and all, I have to, leave the,
yes,
sport
happened.
this one. But thing is, I used to think that getting a hard work into contest will make weight loss. But thing is, true weight has proven that without doing a hard work or without doing a stressful painful workouts at the gym or home, we can easily reduce our weight. Because if I say on a paper, actually when I joined true weight, I did not had much faith on it. And
Okay.
on a paper you can say I can lost around 11 kg overall in 4 months. Around 6 to 8 inches I have lost on my waist also.
Wow, that's amazing.
That was amazing result. And my charm which was here, now I'm charming my, this is my natural color actually, white,
Oh, wow.
actually fair and
Okay.
white. But due to my profile, marketing profile and sales profile, I used to have uneven timings, and the intake also was very different intake. But thing is, after coming to joining to Truett, the entire thought process has changed, and it made me a person. And my color is back with me, and I'm feeling young now, almost 10 years young. That's
Oh,
what I
yeah,
can
no.
say.
Okay.
Yeah. And it was a good journey. I lost 11 kg if I put on paper, but as per Truett, it is 9 kg. But I feel that I lost around 20 kg because the weight which I used to carry when I
Yes.
was in December 2019 somewhere else, I used to carry somewhere around 20 plus weight on my body, and it was very stressful for me. The products which were used in True it also very good. Especially I love True Drink and also True Green. True Green is a favorite product for me, and I love it a lot. And I'm still having it every day morning. I have it, and in the night before bed, it is Trifala, which gives me uh, some feeling that. And the only thing is that the best practice and the best process which Truett has got is wonderful for me.
Yes.
Because as a client, as a not as a client also, as a person, I can say that I'm feeling a lot of difference. When I used to, before December also, I followed so many other things which
Okay.
never gave me any right about result.
So definitely all your achievements which you have just told, like, just explaining about everything in terms of your color, like, how it
Yeah,
improved your complexion, and your personality has totally changed after losing so much of weight. It's reflecting on your face right now. I can see that happiness. So,
thank you.
so you tell me one thing, Mr. Ravi Kiran. So a lot of people complain about not having time. Like, everyone is working. So what is a suggestion you would like to give? Like how anyone can manage their time? Like how did you
See,
manage?
time is a main and a important resource for a person to manage. See,
Yes,
it
yes,
is equal. It is not only equal to money. So many people will tell time is money, but
yes.
after joining True Weight, I believe time is equal to health, because if you safeguard your health and manage your time, see, so many things are there which can be patched up. See, if I have a con call now, I have to attend a con call on time and I have to be of it. But because planning such that immediately you should maintain the time, 100% it is maintain the time. In my case, I am busy. Due to hectic schedule, I thought that I may not be able to do it. But thing is, after getting habituated for 15 days, 1 month, slowly I shifted my, total thought process,
Yeah,
giving time to healthy habits and healthy food, having healthy food, and thinking positively. That's what I made, because time is equal to health for me, not money. That's what I believe.
that's really
Now after
amazing.
True
And that's really wonderful, Mr. Ravi Kiran.
yeah, yeah,
So it's good. So time is a very important aspect, and a lot of people give this major excuse of not having time. But I feel when it comes about your health, we need to prioritize it. That's the
exactly,
topmost thing
exactly.
in our life. So, any advice you would like to give to our viewers who are planning to lose weight? Something which you would like to give to them? Any suggestion
Yeah,
from your end?
exactly. 100% dedication. See, simply thinking about, as Mr. Vishnu Sharaf, we used to interact. I mean, not interact. I mean, I used to watch his videos. See, doing anything with stress will never give result.
Yes, definitely.
I have to lose weight. I have to lose weight. That will never give you result, because you should be stressless before you enter into anything or think about more about it. If it is the case of anything, not only losing health and getting a good
Yes.
posture, first you have to be stressless. You have to think that it is a routine duty and it is going to help me out as per my consequence, as per my convenience, and also providing preference and making a planned structure of the day will definitely give us some sort of result in it, and without any stress. See, stress is equal to higher eagerness, and that eagerness leads to what can I say, that see, unwillingness to
Nasty.
participate, or
Yes.
uh, that's what I believe. Because see, you just don't feel stressed because you take it as a habit. See, my family also, I used to have lot of this thing, like what this has to be cooked. Yes, you have to cook.
Lot of things, yeah.
Now lot of things have changed in my family also. My wife, she is getting
Wow.
ready in the morning, and uh, prior to me itself, she is encouraging me, because she has seen the result actually. And my mother got shocked 1 week back when I was back to office.
Wow.
And she was asking, my hairstyle got changed, but due to my complexion, earlier it was like very dull hairstyle and looking like a puffy boy and like that. But now I have changed a lot, and this made me by following True It only. I simply 100% tell that True It has given me a new life, I can say
Wow.
that.
So when you say this, True It has given a new life, it's a big thing, and we are really
uh,
a pleasure to hear this. We are very, very happy.
exactly.
And
I'm open. Yeah, I'm open to give any type of suggestion who are new clients joining. I'll definitely support that. But The thing is, people has to believe it and do it.
I
That is
think
the
they
only
should
thing which
believe
is.
in themselves, and
Yes,
keeping a health
exactly.
priority will definitely take them for a long run. I think that's the most
Definitely. If
important
health
part.
is there, everything is there. We can get wealth, we can get money, we can get everything from it.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. So, what keeps you
Yeah.
motivated every day? Like, what is your bigger motivation? You're working during this lockdown situation, and what keeps you motivated?
Motivation, see, keeping myself charged is the first point. That motivation is like day by day. If I see my thing in change, like my posture is changing, and my thinking process. Earlier, I used to get stressed, a lot of acidic inside the body, and lot of timely the body posture which I had made me not stressful. Now the thing is, I'm confident that I can do anything, and this was made if your my brain is freely able to think about everything. One thing I could say, see, listen your heart, don't not your brain. That's what I
Yes.
believe in my entire tenure, and now in lockdown also I used to do the same. Whenever you
Okay.
think from your brain, it diverts. If you think from your heart, it happens. That's the
Yes.
simple policy what I believe.
That's really nice, Mr. Ravi Kiran. I think you're a happy person. I could make out when I was talking to you today
Yeah,
morning. No doubt about it.
yeah.
So
Exactly.
I wish you
Yeah,
all the very good luck, and I really pray that
thank
you keep your health always in top one and you work towards it. You know, as you said, health is wealth and everything. So ensure you keep yourself
definitely.
fit, lose another few kgs which you're
Thank you.
really aiming for. And thank you so much for joining
Yeah,
this video session. Thank you so much.
thank you. Thank you.